Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Hisense U8G TV with a PS5. I got a PS5, I got a gaming TV when I get everything set up. So let's jump right into the video. We're going to go to settings. We're going to go to inputs. We're going to make sure we actually turn on allow the TV to control HDMI devices and TV auto power on features. What that's going to let us do is once we push the PlayStation button, watch what's going to happen. It's going to jump right into the actual PlayStation for you, and you can pretty much just get started and start playing. If your PlayStation is powered off, mine was already on, so you saw it just switch to the menu. If your PlayStation is off, it'll actually just turn it right on, and you can just get into gaming. And it'll switch to input, of course, which is honestly perfect. You saw how I didn't turn on the turn off feature because I don't want when I turn my PS5 off to turn off the whole TV. Sometimes I jump into Netflix or something else after. So now that we have that, we're gonna go into the picture settings specifically for the PS5 input. That's kind of how it works. You have to turn on the console first and then you can adjust those specific settings. We're gonna make sure enhanced format is on for HDMI format. What that's gonna do is it's gonna allow the full HDMI 2.1 bandwidth, so that means full HDR, 4K, 120 FPS. So now we're going to jump to picture. We're just going to make sure local dimming is on high so we can get the best picture quality possible, best backlight. I'm going to turn the backlight brightness to 100 actually. And we're not going to turn this on because it'll auto adjust the backlight. We don't need that. We're gonna go and make sure it's on game mode, okay? If it's on game mode, you'll get low response time, all that good stuff. So especially if you're playing like a Call of Duty type of game or any kind of shooter battle royale, you can have a quick response. These settings, I'm gonna tell you to put them to taste, so I'm gonna put this up actually to about 70. Brightness, you can have the same, and I do like a little bit of sharpness. Not too much. It kind of helps with the older games that don't support 4K. All that stuff, all right? And we're gonna leave it on apply to current source. All right, perfect. Let's just go into the setting one more time. Picture and advanced. Here, just follow my settings. Color temperature low, motion clearance off. All the stuff is grayed out, but if it's not for you, make sure it's off. Active contrast off. Filmmaker mode off. That allows you to take a movie that you're watching. If the director intended for you to watch it a specific way, it will actually adjust your picture quality. You don't want that, so we're going to leave it off for now. Then we're going to go down to FreeSync, leave that off. PS5 does not support FreeSync right now. Xbox Series X does, so we're going to leave it off. And we're pretty much done with the TV picture settings right now. And we're going to hop into the PS5 and go into the menu there, okay? Gonna go down to where is it? Screen and video output. You can leave this automatic, and again, just follow my settings here. On when supported, so it's not always trying to force HDR mode. TV set to off. So now we're gonna go make sure we have all the PS5 settings correct. Settings here, sound and video, and everything should be as is. Adjust HDR, it lets you adjust the exact HDR precision for whites and blacks. Go through this and just follow the on-screen steps for this part. We're not going to do it on the video. So now we're going to just test a 4K 120 Hertz game. Close app because I had Fortnite open already. And we will reopen. Something to note real quick while it's loading. Some games have a 120 Hertz toggle that you can turn on and off. Fortnite is one of those games. I'm going to show you right quick on screen. You can see in the settings, it has the toggle there. 120 Hertz on, 120 Hertz mode, focus on that. And if it's off, it's gonna focus on video quality. And there you have it, that's a wrap. Now you know all the settings you need to go through to make sure all the optimal settings are on, you're getting the full features out of your PS5. And thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. Just as a side note, this can apply to most Android TVs. The settings are gonna be different places, but the same should apply, especially that enhanced HDMI format feature. It will definitely apply for sure because I've seen it on a bunch of Android TVs. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. I appreciate you watching this video and taking the time out, and I hope you enjoyed. Peace.